Hello, I'm Colleen Heeter, and I am honored to be selected as the next CEO of Campbell County Health, a role I'll be stepping into on July 1st. But I do have some big shoes to fill, as you know. Andy Fitzgerald has led our healthcare organization through some of the most difficult times recently. We've experienced a cyber attack, we've experienced COVID-19, and he has taken us through those times with strength, compassion, and wisdom. During his time as CEO, Andy has spearheaded 3 major construction projects: the surgery expansion up on the 2nd floor, the main lobby project, the inpatient room replacement project, which our med-surg and ICU just moved in, and of course, the Legacy Living Rehab Center building. These projects will take us into the future for at least the next 40 years. Fortunately for all of us, Andy has agreed to continue in a consulting role at Campbell County Health, helping me with some very important projects: our strategic plan, the COO transition as I move into the CEO role, and of course our Baldrige Journey, which is really looking into how do we give excellence every day. I'm very happy to be able to tap into Andy's experience on the historical perspective side for the next year. As I mentioned, as I transition into the CEO role, I am in the process now of hiring a new Chief Operating Officer. They will focus on the operations side of the organization. I hope to extend an offer to a candidate very soon so we can have that person on board before the end of the summer. I believe in the future of Campbell County Health, and I know we will come back from the challenges of this coronavirus pandemic even stronger. It has been difficult for all of us, and I'm truly amazed and humbled at the way all of our staff at Campbell County Health has done their part by doing tasks that they've never done before, creating new processes to keep the patients safe, and even more importantly, taking time off to preserve the financial health of our organization. Thank you.